Thank you for taking the time to view this quick video tutorial for the new Panther portal for students. Baltimore City Community College is implementing a new modern web-based student portal for the fall 2022 semester. By the end of this video, students will be able to log in and access the new Panther portal, update their personal information, check registration status, browse courses, plan ahead, and register for classes starting in the fall 2022 semester. Students will use this new student portal to access their student records, accounts, and financial aid. Logging in is easy. Step 1. Navigate to bccc.edu. Step 2. Select the My BCCC button at the top of the website. Step 3. Select the new Panther portal button or Register Now button. Step 4. Sign in with your My BCCC username and password. Please note, if you've never logged in from a BCCC computer classroom, your initial password starts with capital B, capital C, lowercase c, underscore, followed by the year of birth in 4 digits, month of birth in 2 digits, and your day of birth in 2 digits. See example listed here, plus the first initial of your first name. Let's first explore how to update your personal information in the new student portal. If this is your first time logging into the system, we recommend starting with updating your personal information. This will ensure that your student records are up to date with the most recent contact information. You can update your personal information by clicking the Person Information link on the main landing page. Once you click on Person Information, a new window will appear for you to update your student records. Use the Edit or Add New buttons to update your contact and basic demographic information. Next, let's explore how to prepare for next semester's registration. From the main student registration page, students can select Prepare for Registration to check their registration status. After selecting the correct term, students will be able to view their student status, academic status, holds, and catalog information. If you do not have any holds on your account, you will see green check marks. This indicates that you can self-enroll without any issues. Note, if you do have any holds on your account, you will see a red hold notice. If a student has a negative registration status, you should contact the registrar's office by phone at 410-462-7777 or via email at registrar@bccc.edu. Next, let's explore how to browse classes for a selected term. To browse available courses, navigate to the registration page under the Student Records heading. Next, select Browse Classes to look up available courses for a specific semester. Select the appropriate term using the drop-down box. Then click Continue. Please note that Fall 2022 self-registration is now open. Browse for courses using the subject, course number, keyword, campus, college, or even an advanced search. Once you've entered the information you're looking for, click Search. A new window will appear. Here you can browse by course title, subjects, numbers, section, hours, CRN, term, instructor, meeting times, location, status, etc. Please note that the CRN number now replaces the index number previously used in the old Panther portal. Next, let's explore how you can plan for a future semester. From the main registration page, students can also create a plan to help map out the courses that they would like to take for a current or future semester. Students can then register for those classes directly from this plan once they go to register. Select the Create a New Plan button to create a plan for a semester. Once you've created a plan, here is an example of what that looks like here in the system. Next, let's explore registering for classes. From the main registration page, select Register for Classes to register today. select the appropriate term using the drop-down box, then click Continue. Please note, Fall 2022 self-registration is now open. There are 3 ways to register for classes. Search by finding classes using keywords, entering a CRN number, or from a plan that you created earlier. For example, if you're searching for classes using the Find Classes section, and you are looking for an English 101 course, you would use the subject English, then click Search. Or, if you know the CRN number, select the CRN tab. Or, if you've already created a plan, you can register directly from your plan. If searching for classes using the Find Classes feature, the search results would appear in a table. You would locate the correct section, location, and meeting time that works best for you. When you are ready to register, hit the Add button. Once you have added a course or courses for registration, it will appear in your summary. Once you are ready to register, click the Submit button. If you selected the wrong course, select the drop-down box under the Action area and click Remove. Note, your registration will not be finalized until you click the Submit button. After you hit the Submit button, your status will change to Registered. If you need to drop the course, select the drop-down box under the Action column and select the Drop button. Then, click the Submit button again. Next, let's explore where to go if you need assistance. If you are unable to self-register and need assistance with registering, please contact the Registrar's Office. They can be reached by phone during normal business hours at 410-462-7777 or by email at registrar@bccc.edu. If you need technical assistance with logging in, please contact the help desk by phone at 410-462-7411 or by email at helpdesk@bccc.edu.